we're getting ready to make some corn my way. Have you heard of the Mexican corn? But this is not Mexican corn. This is corn the way I like to do it, and wrap it and put it on the grill. And these are the seasonings that I use. So let's get ready to get this corn done. Ranch dressing, powdered. Make sure you get the powder. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of that. And it all depends on how much corn you have. If you have, you know, more ears of corn, you need more dressing. Okay. Tablespoon of garlic. Now, you don't have to use this, but I always use Mrs. Dash on mine corn. You can use whatever seasoning you want, but I just like to use it because it's salt free and it's flavorful. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of that. Yeah, it's salt free, and we're going to have enough salt in there with the dressing, and I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there, so we're going to have quite enough. Okay. I would say sprinkle about a tablespoon of parsley flakes in there. Let's go ahead and add about half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, I'm going to mix this up for a minute. Just mix it up. And then I'm going to add my secret ingredient to get all the lumps out of it. Okay, now, y'all, this, we're going to use, yes, Miracle Whip. We're going to use about 3 tablespoons of Miracle Whip, or any Mayo that you prefer. Okay. We're going to get this all mixed up. Just enough so we can put it on the corn. You want to create a paste, and you don't have to put butter on your corn when using this recipe. There's no need. Let's taste. Delicious, y'all. Okay. Okay, now let's get ready. Y'all be able to see. I'm only doing 4 ears of corn. It's just my husband and I. And you just start brushing it on like this. I think in the Mexican corn, you use cheese. We're not going to use any cheese. So, just brush it on all over. Here's that corn, y'all. Oh, I didn't get a chance to really show you the paste. This is the paste. And you just slather this paste all over your corn. Y'all, this corn is absolutely delicious. And that powdered ranch dressing, it takes it to another level. So we're going to make sure it's in all the crevices. Make sure it's all in there so your family, when they bite into it, they'll get flavor in every bite. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to get ready to, I'm trying to get all of it out, y'all. All of it. So I'm just going to lay it back in this bowl and get it wrapped up. Okay, y'all, we have our corn ready. What I do is start it from the end and wrap it like this. twist it. Do one more for you. Start it from the end. Wrap it. Twist it. Okay, y'all. Here are my 4 ears of corn, and I wrapped them and I put little tails on the end. And the seasoning that I use on there, it makes this corn absolutely delicious, and the marinades keep the moisture in. So we're gonna put these on the grill for about an hour, and we're gonna keep them turning. After that, you know, we'll be ready to eat. But this is the way Mama T does her Mama T special recipe corn.